Welcome to Elizabeth Reads. Today we've got Let's Go on a Truck. It is a sound book. Elephant drives a big yellow truck. When cars break down, it carries them to the garage. We've had a call from a driver who's broken down, says Elephant. Let's go. Elephant zooms along the road and the truck goes vroom. We're almost there, says Elephant. Come on, truck. Hello, Rabbit, says Elephant. Don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's turn off the engine and see what I can do. Elephant puts Rabbit's car onto the back of the truck. Come on, Rabbit, let's take it to the garage. They arrive at the garage to drop the car off. Hello, Elephant. Hello, Rabbit, says Monkey. Leave it to me. I'll fix it up. Good as new. The end.